The Clarity Web Template by Element Pack Pro is a modern and flexible design ideal for businesses in tech, consulting, or services. Perfect for companies looking to create a professional online presence. The Clarity homepage promotes web security services, offering features like data encryption and automated updates with customizable pricing plans for businesses. This About Us page is ideal for showcasing a data security company's services, team, and features, helping build trust and engage potential clients. A sleek template for showcasing data security features, including threat detection and real-time alerts. This page is perfect for businesses offering data security services, showcasing tiered plans with clear features and pricing to attract potential customers. This page showcases various software integrations, offering users easy access to tools that enhance data security and efficiency. This page helps us connect with others. The Clarity Web Template is fully compatible with all devices, ensuring your site looks great on any screen. Effortlessly create your websites with Element Pack Pro. Find the link to this paid web template in the description below.